Hello everybody, my name is Jagdish. So this is the sixth semester topic, that is the digital electronics. In the digital electronics we are studying about the De Morgan's theorem. So in De Morgan's theorem we have two theorems. So theorem 1, it is the complement of the product of the two variables is equal to the sum of the complements of the variables. Here the a bar plus b bar is equal to a dot b bar. So it is a simple expression we have to verify. So here the complement of the product of two variables, it means that so a dot b, so it is a product numbers, it is a product variables, and complement of the product of two variables, it means that a dot b bar, so that will be equal to the sum of the complement of the variables. Here the variables are the a and b, so it is a bar plus b bar. So we are adding those two, it is the sum of the complement of the variables. Here the complement of the product of two variables is equal to the sum of the complements of the variables. Here we have written that circuit diagram. First, in left side diagram, it is AND gate. AND gate A and B are the inputs, and the output will be A dot B. For this is the input for the inverter. Then it becomes A dot B bar, and this will be equal to A and B. We are giving the input as a bar and B bar by introducing the inverters or NOT gate. So A bar and A bar, B bar, A bar and B bar are the input for the OR gate. Then we will get a bar plus B bar. So these two circuits are equal. This is the truth table of that De Morgan's theorem 1. If we give 0 and 0 as the input, then the first output will be A dot B bar. It means that for A dot B we will get a 0, then A dot B bar we will get a 1. For same thing, A plus B we will get a 0, A bar plus B bar means it is a 1 bar, 0 bar means it is 1, 1 plus 1 we will get a 1. And second condition, that is if A is 0 and B is 1, we will get A dot B bar is equal to 1, A bar plus B bar is also equal to 1. So this is the verification we are doing here. For the proof, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, A dot B bar will be equal to 1. And A bar plus B bar is equal to, so here we are giving the two inputs as 0 and 0, that is 0 bar is nothing but 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Hence both the equations are satisfied. A is equal to 1 in the second case, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then A dot B bar can be written as 0 dot 1, 0 dot 1 bar. So you will get a 0 bar which will be equal to 1. And similarly, that is A bar plus B bar, which will be equal to 0 bar plus 1 bar. It is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So both the conditions are satisfied. In case 3, we are interchanging that is A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. The output will be 1 and 1 only. When A is 1 and B is 1, if A and B both the inputs are high, then the output will be 0. And in this case also, so equation is satisfied. So this is the proof for the theorem 1, we can practice easily. So in De Morgan's theorem 2, that is complement of sum of two variables is equal to the product of complement of variables. Here just see the diagram. A plus B bar will be equal to A bar dot B bar. So first we have drawn that A plus B as a OR gate. The input is given as A and B. The output will be A plus B. So this output is given to the NOT gate or the inverter. Then the output will be A plus B bar. This will be equal to in the right side circuit diagram. If A and B are connected to NOT gate, then it becomes A bar and B bar. So these inputs are given to the AND gate. Then the output will be A bar dot B bar. So these two equations are equal. So we have to verify the truth table. So if when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, A dot B bar, so it means that 0 dot 0 bar will be equal to 1. A bar plus B bar, it is nothing but 0 bar and 0 bar. 0 bar is 1, 1 plus 1 will be equal to 1. Both the conditions are satisfied. So if when both the inputs are either 0 and 1, so it is nothing but it is a 0 and 0 output we will get. Whenever both the inputs are high, then the output will be 0 and 0. So we can verify by using that De Morgan's theorem and rules for Boolean algebra. So we have to solve some problems. So prove A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. So first we have taking the left hand side, that is A plus A bar B. A can be written as A dot 1. Here the 1 is nothing but 1 plus B. Here the 1 plus B is multiplied with the A dot 1 plus A B plus A bar B, and B is taken out as a common. Then A plus A we will get. A plus A is nothing but 1, and the output will be A plus B. So this is the example 1. In example 2, that is A plus B into A plus C is equal to A plus BC. Here just in A plus B and A plus C we are multiplying A into A and A into C, B into A and B into C, and we are multiplying and adding those equations. A dot A can be written as A. AC is written same thing. BA can be written as AB plus BC. Here A plus AB, just we are rearranging the terms, and after that, so we have to take out the A as a common in the first two terms, that is 1 plus B into A we will get. Next is AC plus BC. Next, in 1 plus B can be written as 1. Then remaining thing is only A plus AC plus BC. Here A is common, and 1 plus C into A we will get plus BC. 1 plus C is 1, that is A plus BC we will get. This is the output, and we can solve number of problems by using the De Morgan's theorem. Thank you all.